I'm Dan Burgos with Alpha Nova Consulting. If you're the owner or senior leader of a manufacturing business and you're unsure if Lean is something that could benefit your business, I wanted to share 5 ways this management system can benefit your manufacturing business. The first one is growth. Lean manufacturing allows you to increase velocity. Depending on your business strategy and market, reducing your lead times or having faster product rollouts might prove to fuel growth. Also, this allows for the lowering of prices to increase sales. The second one is cash. When manufacturers don't function in a lean manufacturing environment, they foster behaviors that create unnecessary waste in the form of excess inventory. Manufacturers create these problems by enforcing metrics such as pricing for purchasing, utilization for machinery, to name a few. This excess inventory ties up significant amounts of cash that could be otherwise spent. As lean manufacturing removes overproduction, batching, and encourages metrics such as inventory turns, this cash is freed up and the business can utilize it to fund more beneficial activities. The third one is profitability. Depending on the cost structure of the manufacturer, direct labor costs can represent a significant portion of your business. As waste is eliminated, manufacturers can reduce costs significantly. In case you're not aware of this fact, typically 95% of the lead time of a manufacturing product is waste. The opportunity to reduce cost, as you can imagine, is normally tremendous. The fourth one is operational performance. Implementing lean manufacturing will have a direct impact on the operational execution of the business. Think safety to reduce injuries, recordable accidents, and lost time incidents. Quality, which will help you improve quality rates and reduce scrap and rework costs. When we think about delivery, we're talking about increased on-time deliveries, shorter lead times. And then cost, reduced labor costs, and cash-to-cash cycle. The fifth one is employee retention. Employees are an important part of your organization's success. Empowerment, solving their problems, and unleashing creativity are a great source of pride and reward for your employees. In this environment, employees' talents flourish, and a healthy environment is created. As a side benefit, you reduce staffing costs due to reduced turnover. There you have it, 5 ways that Lean can benefit your manufacturing business. To receive more tips on how to drive profitable growth in your manufacturing business, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on LinkedIn. If you have questions or want to learn more about us, visit us at alphanovaconsulting.com. I'm Dan Burgos, and thanks for watching.